Hi guys, welcome back to Edith's channel. Today we're gonna make slime. Here it is. Look at all the things. Okay, let's open it up. It's out. Wow. Look at this. This is where you put the cup in. This is the milk. And this is the thing where you put it. And now get all the things out. Look, the milk got strawberries on the strawberries on that side and that side. Or the milk is on. Just keep get that over there. Whoopsies. Now we're gonna do the bubble gum machine. Loads of packages. Look at that. Let's get one of them. Hang on, found something. Oh, it's dark, it's dark, it's dark. Got it out. See? Open it. This one. See what it is. Oh my gosh. Put that right there. Time to open the next package. Oh, this one's stuck as well. But this one's a big bag. Little baggie. I see something. I see something. Did they see the things what we put in? They are the things what we put in the slime. This is kind of sand, like green sand. Get that. This is the wrapper. I got my slime bag. Now let's pour this, all of the slime bag in the pot. This pot. All the way. Pull it. Hold it. Oof. Just stuck in the whole bag. That's a whole bag. Put some on the floor. Whoopsies. Let's do that for the cup. Done that. Now time to put my water in. Okay. All the way. There's a line somewhere. Here it is. Line right there. Can't see it because it's the same colour. You fill the water all the way up there. Okay, put the lid on. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. I shaked it up. Now we had to wait for 5 minutes. That's waiting. I'm gonna do these ones and show you later. I shake them all up. Now I'll show you the things that we're gonna put in both the slime. So the marshmallows and Coke are going in these pink and green lollipops. And this one, what we've already done, you can see the slime there. That one goes with these colourful ones. And also, colourful ones go in the milk, these colourful ones. Okay, I waited for the slime, now we've got to see what it looks like. First I'm going to do this one. Get out there! Oh, it's going out. Like green goo. Oh my gosh, it's the whole bucket. Now we're going to pour these in. Open it up. Get it. Now we have to pour it in, right in. Oh my gosh. It's actually just going everywhere on the slime. I can't wait to play with it. Get all of it out. Really done. Ooh, just touches the slime. Okay, that's a whole bag. Okay. Now let's mix it with our hands. It feels really yucky. Real slime. And wash the plate now for the hot chocolate. No, actually, hot chocolate is just the picture of it. Oh, yeah. There's marshmallows in it. There's the square thing. I don't know. Oh my gosh, it's really sticky. It doesn't feel like the other one. It's just really sticky. I had to wash my hands again now. It stinks. It stinks really badly. Oh, that's the whole bucket. I got the whole bit. A bit of caddy in there. What's a caddy when it's really yucky? Get all of that candy out. get that pink one out. Just need to keep on. Get back in. Get back in your slimy house. Okay, I done that one. Now time for the milk one. Oh, but oh my gosh, it's so pink. It's so pink. It's just so pink. I need to do it quickly. Like little slime castle. I'm making a slime castle. It's not even going out. Why is it not going out? I think I need to do it. I feel something at the bottom. I feel something at the bottom. It's a big slime ball, really. Look how pink it is. Like gooey pink. Slime. And it is slime. I'm playing with pink slime as well. All different colours of slimes. Oh, it looks like Play-Doh. Like pink sticky Play-Doh. Guys, my favourite slime was the chocolate one. Chocolate marshmallow. What was your favourite? Comment down below which one is your favourite. Bye! Don't forget to have a thumbs up. Bye.